Welcome to Exams Daily, and this video is about Khel Ratna Award and who are the winners of the Khel Ratna Award 2020. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, and it is officially known as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in Sports and Games, and it is the highest sports honoring of our Republic India. And this award is named after our former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi, and this award is given by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. This is awarded for those who are spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years. And this award is committed under 12-member committee, and they are going to evaluate the performance of sports person at various international events like Olympic, Paralympic, Asian and Commonwealth Games. And first recipient of this award was our chess grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand. And because of this year Khel Ratna awardees are advocated. And the 5 Khel Ratna award winner of this year 2020 was a star cricketer Rohit Sharma and Mariyappan Thangavelu, Manika Batra, Vinesh Phogat and Rani Rampal are advocated for this year Khel Ratna Award, and this is the second time since 2016 that 4 athletes have been finalized for this award. At first, Rohit Sharma, and his full name is Rohit Gurunath Sharma. He is an Indian international cricketer who plays for Mumbai in domestic cricket and captains Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League as a right-handed batsman and an occasional right-arm off-break bowler. He is a vice captain of the Indian national team in a limited over format. Apart from this, he is an active supporter of animal welfare campaigns, and he is officially a ambassador of Rhino for WWF India and a member of PETA. Rohit Sharma has been recognized for this award with his benchmark as a batsman and for his commitment, conduct, consistency and his leadership skill. He is going to receive this award. Next, Vinesh Phogat. She is an Indian wrestler who comes from a successful family of wrestlers with his sister Geeta Phogat and Babita Kumari, being international wrestlers and Commonwealth Games medalists as well. She became the first Indian women wrestler to win gold in both Commonwealth and Asian Games. She is recognizing this award for an eye for her gold medals in the 2018 Commonwealth and Asian Games, and also she won bronze in 2019 Asian Wrestling Championship. And next, Mariyappan Thangavelu. He is an Indian Paralympic high jumper and he represent India in 2016 Summer Paralympic Games held in Rio de Janeiro. And he won gold medal. He is an India's first Paralympic gold medalist since 2004. He is also a Padma Shri and Arjuna Award holder. Now he is recognizing for Khel Ratna for his contribution in Paralympics Games. And next, Manika Batra. She is a table tennis player. She is top ranked player in India and 47th in world. She is specialist in playing long pimples on her backhand, a rubber which is not even played by top players too. She is advocated for this award because she is the first woman paddler to win singles gold medal at Commonwealth Games. And next, Rani Rampal. She is an Indian field hockey player. At the age of 15, she participated in 2010 World Cup. She is currently the captain of Indian women's hockey team. She is advocated for this award for his pivotal role in Rio Olympics 2016 as well as Tokyo Games. And they are going to receive this prestigious award at National Sports Day on August 29th. In a first, the awards will be held virtually on August 29, the National Sports Day, instead of the Rashtrapati Bhavan this year due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation. And that's it. If you're watching our channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get updates instantly. And thanks for watching.